To summarize some of what we talked about today, the first thing, and probably the most important thing, is that you don't have to know the answer. It's unrealistic to expect that you would know the answer to every citation style question that comes up. However, hopefully by now you should know where to go to figure it out. We touched on the citation guide that the library here at UNCG puts out. That's a great place to start. It has all those examples for different sources, as well as at the bottom those resources for any additional questions, and it also links the style guides themselves. As I mentioned previously, there are also physical copies of style guides behind the low desk in the ROI section of the library, and for people like me who like a physical copy of something, that's helpful. You can also always ask other librarians on staff. I know at one point last semester I had a very unusual citation question that came up, and me and Maggie and Nick and Leanne were all trying to answer it together over one computer. And I hope that throughout all of this, you've thought through how you'll handle future citation style questions. They're going to keep coming up, and no question is the same. And I hope some of this has been helpful. I've included the slideshow below this video, so hopefully if you need to look back through some stuff, you'll find that helpful, as well as some links to some handouts that help you practice and a little quiz.